Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and the speed test comparison of the SanDisk Dual Drive Go. And this is the 400 Mbps variant guys, and I got this on Amazon, and they are not sponsoring me. SanDisk is not sponsoring me. So if you want to get this particular pen drive for a discounted price for about 1150 rupees, you all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And SanDisk, being SanDisk, always does a very good job at packaging its pen drive, and this belongs to the family of the dual drive lux guys. So there are three pen drives: the SanDisk Dual Drive Go, the Dual Drive Lux, and the Dual Drive Lux Gold. And all these particular pen drives look identical, except this is the plastic one, and this is how it feels. I feel the build quality have taken a hit guys, especially with this, because I was not expecting this from SanDisk. As you can see, you can easily bend it, but it does not break the pen drive. That is the most important thing. And it is, I would say, it is flexible. I don't know why, and I don't actually know how it is going to last for a very long period of time, and especially with the heat this kind of high speed pen drive produces. And by the way, in my testing I never found that this particular pen drive, the unit which I got from Taiwan, is generating a lot of speed heat. And as you can see over here, I did not like the build quality of this because it is a bit flimsy guys, as you can see over here. And I can just knock this off, and this does not stay in place like how you have for a dual drive lux and all, because those pen drive, they have a clicky mechanism, and the I would say the experience of using the dual drive lux is way much better than this, because the price difference is around like maybe 150 to 200 rupees, and I really don't know why would you buy this, except the fact that this does not get heated like the dual drive lux. So this is the color which I got, and there are other lavender and all. And if you want to get this particular pen drive in black color, it is surprisingly not available in the 400 mbps read speed variant. It is only available with that 120 read speed, which is very low. I simply suggested to get this particular pen drive, and basically this is one of the good looking pen drives, I would say, besides the build quality and all. And as you can see, this is a trusted SanDisk pen drive, and this looks very much identical and to the SanDisk Dual Drive Lux. And basically what I would say is there are other colors also which are very interesting, and I liked this sort of a blue kind of color. And let us just go and do the speed test. I'm going to like give like my opinion about using this particular pen drive for a while. And basically I'm using to transfer this like very big file, like 4 GB or 5 GB, especially like ISO files of Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Fedora. So in my case guys, I require a pen drive which is high speed, because you can't keep waiting for the pen drive to get completing those bigger chunks of file like 4 GB, which is a single image file, the disk ISO file. And for that purpose this pen drive is great. As you can see, the read speed is 386 mbps, which is very good. And if you want to get connected with us, you all can simply go to creativesoft.com/whatsapp to get us connected on on WhatsApp. And if you like this kind of pen drive videos, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell notification. And also share this particular video guys with your friends and family. And you can also follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft. We are almost active over there. And as you can see over here, the read speed is quite surprising, and I think 386 mbps is quite fast guys. So in my honest opinion, I had no issues in connecting this and using this pen drive for my most of the Linux work which I do. And y'all can check out the link in the description to get this from Amazon for a discounted price. So for offers and all guys, you can get this sometime below 1000 rupees. I would say that would be like a killer deal. Now most of y'all had been asking me what is the write speed, and the write speed of this particular pen drive is around 80 mbps, and 80 mbps is quite fast. I wouldn't say it is better than the dual drive lux, because the dual drive lux have a read speed of 400 mbps and write speed of around 128, but as you can see, the read speed is 368 and the write speed is around 80 mbps for this dual drive go. and in my case this is a decent pen drive, and the 128 GB will help me to copy the large files like disk ISO, disk image files, .iso files of the Linux distribution on this, because I have this particular pen drive. I've been using this particular pen drive mostly for that. And another common queries which I get from most of the people when it comes to you know connecting this particular pen drive, big ones, especially 128 GB, 64 GB, to the television, is they are not able to connect it. So the only solution is to format this particular pen drive in FAT32 file format. I have done a video on my channel explaining how to connect it to the TV if it is not working with your TV. So basically what you need to do is download one secondary tool called as Rufus, RUFUS, and you can search in Google and download this particular tool, and then select a non-bootable variant and just format this with large FAT32. So what large FAT32 does, it enables this compatibility mode with which your television reads the particular file format, and basically you can transfer, I guess, less than 4 GB file. But again, this will be very much useful, especially if you like to watch videos or movies, etc., on your television. So I have already done a dedicated video, so please do check that out on my channel. That will, I guess, will solve most of your problems, because this pen drives, when I started connecting it to my TV, it was not getting detected, since it had this FAT file system, which is a newer file system, and this pen drive requires older file system to connect it with the TV. So that is the main reason I formatted it using Rufus, and I formatted using Rufus and in FAT32 file format, a large FAT32 format. So if you all are still getting this kind of errors messages, you all can please buzz me on WhatsApp, guys. So you all can check out the link in the description for WhatsApp, get connected on that. Like, the ID is creativesoft.com/WhatsApp, and I'll be more than happy to solve all your issues, guys. And let me know in the comments below if you have any issues. Okay, let me just make it very clear about this particular pen drive, who should buy it. If you are a student and if your budget is not so much, you also definitely get this instead of the dual drive lux. Also, if you want something like a cooler pen drive, you also get this. But honestly, guys speaking, I think you should simply buy the dual drive lux, because the price difference is hardly 150 or 200 rupees, and it's a better pen drive. And I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. And thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.